Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the, if I can find it, 5-star palette from Colourpop. It sounds like 5-star palette, I mean 5-star Island. So this is the Isabelle palette and I've had these for ages, but uni just got in the way of everything. So I hope that you guys will still enjoy this palette, and of course makeup is, you know, we use makeup all the time. Like, I hope that you guys are still enjoying this collection and will still enjoy this video. I'm also going to be doing the Flower Tender blush, and I dropped the packaging so I'm not going to get it because I'm really lazy, but I'm also going to try the Orange Cutie lip tint as well, which I got on my lips today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please carry on watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you will enjoy the video. Hello, so I've just finished doing my eye. So I did this really pretty kind of, it reminds me of a really tropical kind of eye, and I put on this wig. If you can tell, this wig is not styled. I literally just grabbed it outside of its box, so yes, it's very unstyled. I had to put a clip in it to try and keep the fringe going, but I think the orange and the yellow tones go really nicely together, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I got this wig off Amazon, so let me know if you'd be interested in like a review video on some wigs. I definitely need to film a wig collection video, so yeah, I hope you guys like the look. I'm just going to zoom you in now and then I'll show you how I did the look on obviously this eye. I think it's really cute though, and I think it's quite simple, so I hope you guys will enjoy the look. Okay, so I thought I'd zoom you in because last time I didn't and I realized that was a bad mistake, so yeah, I'm gonna zoom you in. And the first thing I did, so the first color I took was Island Tune, and it's a really pretty kind of corally, kind of pinky red tone, and I was so pleased with how this went on my eye. These palettes are extremely crumbly, they fall out so much. I don't know if you can really tell. Usually I do my eyes before my base, so it doesn't really bother me, but if you are someone who does their base before their eyes, then you might have to clean up your eyes quite a bit when it falls out underneath. But as you can see, this is such a pigmented shade. It's so pretty. I love it. Also, nice. I don't actually have a colour like this in my collection, so this palette is definitely going to be one that I will go to if I kind of want this corally kind of red shade. It's so pretty, and look how, like, I do not need to pack that on more than I already have, so definitely a little bit goes a long way. So next you want to grab a clean blending brush. This is slightly dirty. This is the one I use for my other eye, and it's not that bad, so I'm going to continue using it. So you just want to keep blending it into your brow bone. And I realise standing this side is probably a lot easier to see, so I'll make sure to do that. So next up I'm going in with Resident Rep. This is kind of like a glittery shade. However, in my La Belle video, which is up on my channel, I'll pop a link up there, I kind of found that the glitter kind of disappeared when you put it on your eyes. So I went and put it on in the corner, and this shade particularly had a lot of fallout. So I'm just gonna load it up in the corner. It's kind of like a burgundy kind of red leaning onto brownish. As you can see, there is a lot of fallout on my cheek here, so you will need to clean it up if you do your base first. And if you continue to blend it, the glitter does kind of disappear. I wouldn't say this puts me off the palette at all. Definitely doesn't stay in place. It kind of just gives you a bit of glitter, like kind of all over the lid. It kind of just like moves around a little bit. I'm just gonna bring that underneath as well, and we'll definitely tidy it up at the end. Next I went in with my P. Louise base, and I'm just gonna cut out the cut crease. So I wanted to do a really nice round, quite big cut crease. So I'm just gonna start by packing it on here, and then I'm gonna go into my corner and rock it out. You want to make sure that you go over your natural crease so that the colour will stay above your eye, especially if you have hooded and deep set eyes. So now we have that rounded shape, I'm just going to go and apply Isabelle. So Isabelle is such a pretty kind of yellow, pastel yellow tone, and it picks up really nicely on the brush. And as you can see, it's just a super pastel, nice yellow shade. Definitely coming off not as bright on camera. So as you can see, it's a very pretty kind of pastel yellow golden shade, and it packs on really nice with a brush, so I'd recommend to use a brush, or you know, you can use your finger, but I prefer to keep my hands clean because I am clumsy and I put my I'm probably gonna get it on my face otherwise. Next up, you just want to blend the two colours together on the outer corner. So I'm just taking Resident Rep, and I'm taking a tiny bit of Island Tune just to blend these shades together. So next up, I took the white eyeliner from Colourpop and I put it above my crease. It was kind of difficult to get this to work. I think this liner pen works a lot better when it's like not on eyeshadow directly, but yeah, I just kept on working it into the crease. But if you keep working it, it should come out a nice whitish line. As you can see, it's starting to come out a little bit more. Next up, we have quite a fun bit. So I bought these stickers on the weekend in the British Heart Foundation. However, you can get these stickers from Poundland, I'm pretty sure, like B&M and all that kind of stuff. Probably eBay as well. So yeah, any kind of stickers that have like a flowery gem kind of design. And I took the golden one and placed it onto the lid with a couple of the little stickers as well. I think these kind of things just make anything cute, and I don't know, I really like them. I think they really what's the word? I think they really like step up an eyeshadow kind of look. So as you can see, I put them on this eye here, and I'm just gonna do the same. And also a little pink one. And put that on the outer corner. So as you can see, we've got a lot of fallout here, so I'm just going to clean that up quickly with a little wipe. And I'm concealing as well with the Hyaluronic Concealer by Colourpop. So taking a kind of flat stippling brush, I'm just gonna put in under my waterline. So I'm gonna go in with the same colours, so Island Tune on the middle, and then a bit of Isabelle. I'm also taking my Wet n Wild white liner pen to do my waterline. And my Epic Ink liner from NYX to do the liner, obviously. I do think this look would be a lot nicer with a brown eyeliner, but I don't have any. The same with mascara as well. So I'm just doing the top line, just thick enough to put on my eyelashes. I think that's enough, so I don't want to bring it out too much because I think this is quite a pretty look without a wing. For lashes, I'm going in with these kind of spiky lashes, which are pretty popular in the like J fashion and cosplay kind of community, so you can get these off AliExpress for pretty cheap. I'm just going to cut off one of the spikes from the end and then put it on my lid. I'm also using the P. Louise glue, which I have been really enjoying recently, so yeah, this is a must-have. So I'm just gonna peel it off. And I always forget to cut them, so I'm not gonna forget this time. You want to make sure you do the end of it so it's the longest one. Ta-da! That was surprisingly easy. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I think I mentioned in my last video, but this glue is really nice. It was really affordable. It was definitely under £5. Usually glue is quite expensive. It stays on. I have never had it fall off, and when I take it off at the end of the day, it doesn't hurt. Like, it comes off really easily as if it wasn't even sticky. So yeah, I really like this glue at the moment, and I definitely recommend trying this glue out yourself as well. And it's latex free, which is super awesome, and vegan. So I'm just gonna pop it on, and what you want to do is you want to hold it down so that it's directly going onto the line. And then once you put it down, finesse it into the corner. So it's almost complete. You just want to put on some mascara. I'm using the Sky High, which is my all-time favorite mascara nowadays. I should have done this first, but I'm using the glitter shade in the inner corner, and I'm also going to pop a little bit onto the eyelid. I'm just taking a little bit of Island Designer as well onto the yellow, and it's a really pretty glittery shade. Of course, the look wouldn't be complete without using the Flower Tender blush, so we're going to use this one today. So it's super pretty, and I love this blush. I've already used it so many times, and it's nice and pigmented and pretty. I'm just going to pop it on the apples of my cheeks. And it's really pretty. It comes out quite pigmented, as you can see. You want to get it on the nose, have a nice little blush nose moment. I've got kind of like a cut here, but I don't know. I think it's just like a spot or something. And it's ruining the entire look, I'm telling you that. Going back into Island Designer, I'm just going to put it as a highlighter again on the tip of my nose. Also going to use it on my cheek. As you can see, it's definitely not for the faint of heart because it's very glittery. So you're basically just putting glitter on your face, which is great with me. And finally we have the lip colours as well, so I'm just going to use these peachy tones from the Fruit Roots little duo. And since it's got a little bit more of an orange tone, I'm going to use Orange Cutie. I'm just going to wipe off what's on my lips. And I'm just going to apply it. So as you can see, it definitely has quite some pigment. However, I wouldn't say these are long lasting. I have worn them quite a few times since I purchased them, and yeah, they do rub off quite quickly on the inner part of your lips, but they're really nice and they smell delicious. They smell exactly like what they're supposed to. This smells like oranges, fresh cut oranges, which I adore, so I love this so much, and yes, I want to eat it. So that is everything for my look today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed the look. I think it came out super cute and it's very easy to do, so hopefully some of you guys who have the collection can do this look as well, and please tag me or, you know, comment below if you do end up doing it. I've already filmed a Blaffers look and I don't know when that will be up, so that will be up very soon. And I also need to film a look with the Timmy and Tommy palette, which I'm so excited about because it's so cute. Mint is so pretty. Look at those colors, so nice. I really want to try those out. So as you can see, this collection is still available on the Colourpop website, and it is actually on sale as well right now. So yeah, definitely check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more Colourpop reviews from me. It really helps me out and lets me know what you want to see on my channel, and also I really love Colourpop, so it's a win-win for me. Sadly, I probably won't be able to review these as they have came out because I have only just got my job today, so I'm starting tomorrow, and hopefully maybe if you guys are interested I could get them on their like second or third round. Of course, the Animal Crossing collection came out months ago now, so yeah, so it's definitely nice to get your hands on it even if you can't pick it up the first time around, so I wouldn't worry too much if it sells out of stock. You do have to pay customs to get this stuff to the UK, which is kind of annoying. I really hope that Colourpop in the future collabs with like Beauty Bay or something and we can get it a lot more easier, because it can be quite expensive to get it to the UK. So yeah, but I definitely do recommend to grab these palettes, especially if you're an Animal Crossing fan. It's just a must-have. So that's all for me today. I hope that you found this video super helpful or inspiring to create a look with your palettes as well. And yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What would you like to see on my channel? And I'd love to see you all very soon for some more. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!